Alright, this is an interview with a pharmacist that I know. Alright, so what is your name?
Stephanie Jones.
Alright, where do you work?
I work for Meyer Pharmacy in Columbus, Ohio.
Alright, and what is your job there?
I'm a staff pharmacist.
And where had you gone to college for the degree?
My degree is pharmacy. It is a doctor of pharmacy. I have a PharmD, and I attended Ohio Northern University in Ada, Ohio.
Alright, do you know why you chose this path for any reason?
That's a good question. Not sure, probably 8th, 9th grade, decided that I wanted medical profession and chose pharmacy, stuck with it, started looking at colleges when I was a sophomore, so it just kind of stuck with me.
Alright, and do you have any favorite things about this job?
Probably my favorite thing would be I'm a retail pharmacist, so probably my favorite thing would be the interaction that I have with the people. So I have people that come in and specifically some days ask for me because they know I'll help them or give them the advice that they need.
Alright, now what's your relationship with your staff and like with your customers? Do you typically talk to them much and hang out, or you just go your separate ways at the end of the day?
We do actually. I consider them my Meyer family, my second family. So the staff, we'll go out some nights and out to dinner. We'll have game nights some nights at somebody's house where we'll all get together just to kind of relax. We work so hard together that it's nice to just be able to relax and talk to everybody and not talk about pharmacy and talk about what's going on in our lives. So, because we're a busy store, so while we're there, it's pretty much work.
Okay. Now, what are some of the responsibilities that you have in the pharmacy that you work at?
Well, as a staff pharmacist, I check the prescriptions, I counsel patients, I give immunizations. Right now we're doing a lot of flu shots, pneumonia shots. I'm also able to check people's cholesterol. I talk to doctors, talk to nurses, counseling patients, so pretty much, and I even do some of the tech work. I can still count pills like anybody else. I still process, I still talk to insurance companies if there's a problem, so I pretty much do everything. I like my hand in everything. I like to know what's going on and be able to I don't want to not know how to do something.
Okay. And now, for anybody that's looking to go in the line of work that you're in, like a retail pharmacist, as I think you'd be called, what are some traits of a personality or just like some likes that they should have, something that they should enjoy?
Schooling-wise, probably math and science are going to be your big ones, especially the science. To be retail, you have to be able to communicate with your customers and with your staff, and with the doctor's offices. I think probably retail, that's the biggest thing, is you have to be able to, you can't really be a person that's like behind the scenes, because that's, not going to work that. You would want to go to hospital. So I think it's mostly the interaction that you have with the patients. So, you have to be able to communicate with them. Communication skills are probably the biggest trait that you need.
Alright, and do you have any advice for like what grades, what any particular classes they should take in for?
I would take as much science as you can in high school, and the math. So it would probably be the two biggest. So take your advanced chemistries, your physics. So, because that's going to help you in college when you start getting into the organic chemistries, biochemistries, and the biologies.
Thank you.
You're welcome.